Near Kadina's Gate 4 area, a middle-aged man owned and operated a small, successful candy store many years ago. Each night after closing, he'd count the day's earnings and return to his home and his family. One evening, as he began to count the money, a young, pretty woman entered the store. He explained to her that he was closed for the evening and asked her to come back in the morning when he reopened. She refused and insisted that she needed to buy candy for her baby. After some thought, the man sold the woman her piece of candy and as she left, returned to his task. As he was counting, he noticed that some of the coins were not all in yen, but the money left at shrines during celebrations for the deceased. Puzzled, he finished counting and left for the evening. The next evening, after the shop had closed, the same woman again entered the shop to buy candy for her child. Remembering the woman from earlier, the man let her buy a few pieces of candy for her child. When he counted the money that same night, he again was confused to find shrine money included in the earnings. The very next night, the woman again appears at the shop door, bought a few pieces of candy for her baby, and left. This time, the shopkeeper held on to the money and was not surprised to see that the woman had handed him coins used for shrines. He followed the woman after she had purchased some candy, and he had almost reached her when she had rounded a corner. The man, a few steps behind, turned the corner as well, but the woman appeared to have vanished. As he looked around, he heard a weak cry from a tomb on his left. He walked towards the tomb and heard the noise again. Frightened, he left to find the police, who followed him back to the tomb. The police also heard the noise coming from inside the tomb, and decided to pry open the top. They were extremely surprised at what they found. Inside, they found a corpse of a young woman and a baby who was very much alive. Taking the baby from the arms of the corpse, the police located the family of the deceased. It seems their daughter died while pregnant as the result of an unfortunate accident. Legend has it, from this time on, Okinawans no longer leave shrine money for the deceased, but instead leave real currency. I tried to find more information on the story because I was curious about the live baby found in the tomb, but unfortunately I couldn't find much information. However, to me, the story was interesting enough to share with you guys, and if any of you have more information on this story or have your own ghost stories in Okinawa, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks so much guys for listening, and if you're interested in Okinawa or Japan in general, I try and cover anything that I find interesting on this channel. Thanks so much guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.